I might have just changed the entire personality of this car.
But did I pick the right set? I have a 20 by 8.5 in the front with a plus 50 offset. And then in the rear, I have a 20 by 11 with a positive 60 offset. And the bolt pattern for the 991 is going to be a 5 by 130. So these wheels were never on my radar at all. I was actually looking at more of a motorsport BBS inspired wheel. And yes, I say BBS inspired because BBS wheels are expensive as I stumbled upon these from clicking on an email from Vivid Racing promoting one of their sales. So as I was browsing the items on the site, I saw these. They were on sale for $1,500. Not $1,500 per wheel for the set. Sold. So I clicked on add to cart as fast as possible, just in case this was a glitch on the website and it would soon return to its original price of $4,000. So that's how these wheels got here.
Before these go on, I want to protect them properly.
When you get your wheels, apply a ceramic coating to it. Why? One, is already off the car, so you don't have to worry about taking it off. With it being off the car, you have full access to the whole wheel. Front face, the inside barrel, everything. Two, the wheel isn't really dirty and contaminated with brake dust and road dirt and all that stuff. And lastly, when you have a ceramic coating on your wheel, it makes cleaning super easy. Okay, so you're gonna need a few items before you get started. Prep spray, a ceramic coating, an applicator, and microfiber cloths. So I was able to get all of that with this kit here. I got it off of Amazon. I have the link down in the description below. The G-Technique Wheel Coating Kit. Since these wheels are brand new and never driven on, all I have to do is degrease them and apply the ceramic coating. As you can see, I just spray the wheel, wipe it clean, applying the coating, and wipe wheel again. Most important thing is to apply an even coat to the entire wheel. Now we just let it sit for 24 hours so it cure, and then we'll see if we made a right choice by selecting these wheels. Hmm.